In the case of Mabry v. Johnson, after a defendant was convicted on charges of burglary, assault, and murder, the Arkansas Supreme Court set aside the conviction and continued with plea negotiations. The prosecutor proposed a plea. When the defense counsel called the prosecutor 3 days later and told of the defendant's acceptance, the prosecutor withdrew the plea, saying there was a mistake. The defendant originally rejected the offer after a mistrial was declared. The defendant then sought habeas corpus relief with his guilty plea. The court denied, saying he understood the consequences of his plea and he had effective counsel. The Court of Appeals reversed, saying fairness precluded the prosecution's withdrawal of the original accepted plea. The prosecutorial inducements were the original exchange for a guilty plea to a charge of accessory after a felony murder. The prosecutor would recommend a 21-year sentence to be served concurrently with the concurrent burglary and assault sentences. The second inducement was to do the same thing, but for the sentence to be served consecutively. I do not agree with the outcome. Plea bargaining already cheats justice enough to a certain extent in some cases. I think this is one of those cases where it was cheated and the prosecutor made a mistake.